Okay, if you are having a problem with this is an 02 Acura Mdx. If you're having a problem with the key, you have to jiggle it to get it to open, to get all the dash on. Here, I'm going to shut it off. See, it's back to the second position. Will not come on until I jiggle the key. Oops. Let me try it again. Okay, back in second position. Come over here. Some of you guys may already know this on MDX forums or whatever. But do this and listen. Oh, it's not gonna do it for me. Anyway, I already took this apart. And see if I can do this one-handed. Boom. And there it is. Now, hold on. Oh, see, and it just shut off. I'm wiggling it right now. And it's got a bad wire right back there. Yeah. Key's still in the ignition. The immobilizer's still hooked up and everything. But I am not getting anything else. So I'm going to, luckily, I have a identical MDX with, that's for parts. I already took this part out. So I'm going to try it and we'll see what happens.